Next time you feel yourself get upset, after you get upset, someone else got you upset. After you get upset, you get yourself upset. If you want that to stop, what's that? No, once you get upset, let yourself get upset because you can't stop it. It's wait, what expectation did I? No, what expectation did you create for that person or that situation? But you work that out after. Because if you don't, you'll still have the expectation, and then that will still happen, and you'll do it. So I do team building with kids as well. So I did a workshop 2 weeks ago where it was a K-8 school, and this was 5th grade class. And a girl, we're talking about challenges, and a girl says to me, well, it annoys me when she does this. And I go, okay, got it, what's it? And she's like, well, it annoys me. I'm like, well, what's it? Is it? Like, is it the clown? Is it like, no, it's not, right? So there's no, so it's like, so let's go, what's really, oh, well, she annoys me when so how does she annoy you? She like gets into your brain, like, and then we talk about expectation. This girl, within 20 minutes, she started with it annoys me. She went to she annoys me. And the breakthrough for her was I annoy me. And when she got that, her face was like, yeah, you've been annoying yourself your whole entire life. And other kids like, oh, that makes sense, 100%. But you're not taught this. You may be 50, you may be 60, you may be 30, 40 years old. You may have been in this world. Nobody teaches you this. People have taught you to believe that other people are responsible for your happiness. And it starts as a little age. I don't know where it snuck in. When you tell a child, tell him how she made you feel when she didn't share. Tell her how he made you feel when he said that to you. The kids are being programmed in their computer brain to go, oh, she can make me feel this way. He can make me feel this way. And that's how you're programmed. If I said words to you, you hear the words. You interpret them in your mind. You give them meaning. And you respond to them in a millisecond. You don't even know that happens, and then you can blame everybody else.